Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Boss Babe Nikki. Oh yes, so guys, in this video it's gonna be very festive. So if it's the first time you're seeing my face, welcome to my channel. If you're a return subscriber, welcome back, and let's get right into the video. So guys, in this video it's gonna be very festive, okay? And in order to see that, you guys have to watch to the end. All right, okay, clock it. So we're gonna go to the Black River Safari, right? For sure. I'm gonna whiten my teeth. We're gonna go get my hair done, my nails done, guys. A lot of festivity, basically not much talking, guys. And I know from the year start I've been just silent, you know, visual diary. I kind of like that style, but I know that you guys don't want to see the same thing every time, so I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. But this is gonna be the last one. I'm gonna be a chatty cat, guys. You know, I don't want you guys to be bored, and I don't want you guys to be seeing the same thing, and that's why I have started to do unboxing in live stream, you guys. And I'm also planning to do story time. Yes, so your girl is working on that, but let's get right into the video, guys. And remember to like, subscribe, and share, okay? Guys, we're at Black River Safari and we're gonna do the tour, so come along with us and enjoy. I'm super excited. So after waiting for a few and enjoying the view, it's time for us to go on the boat. Yeah.
Take a tarp on here.
Jamaica. The Black River Safari in Jamaica offers a peaceful boat ride on the island's longest river, where you can see crocodiles and many different birds. Friendly tour guides share cool facts about the river, its history, and the animals that live there. It's a great trip for anyone who loves nature and wants to have a fun adventure, as me and my family did. And guys, I definitely recommend, okay?
Anything you have in that for me? Here. Go over it. You know big. Oh, big small one. Matter. Let me see where you have. I just shoot one of them. You don't get fry iron. Oh. So that is the. That is the snapper. Snapper that? Yes. That one, the whole of them. No, it's small. Yeah, man, because we catch bigger on that. Oh. Yo, go over there. Go over there.
I know you might talk that man named Dominic here. Stay up there.
The shrimp will catch now. Anything I use catch a fish.
Small fish, okay. Only more.
And we do bird watching tour, but that starts from 7 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, Gallimore.
Purple gallium.
Gallimore.
Purple gallium.
Human consume them?
You know. They're young, they're dark. Look, see, there it is.
Gallimore. Oh.
Here, that guys once used to make
Yeah, that's what they use.
straw hat
But you know your history.
baskets and brooms. 10 to 20 feet deep, guys.
The whole water is just not too deep, right? No. Oh, it's just clear.
See where when the swamp is one tree.
Yeah.
Water is at the swamp.
Oh.
Water tree. Roots of water.
That bird. What do you call it? Osprey?
Osprey.
Osprey.
It costs 11 speaks about the bird. Sure does.
Oh. That's like up there, like over. I don't know.
Wow.
Here it also peaceful and quiet.
Very.
But yeah, so now that we then
Guys, we have reached to the end of the journey.
Beautiful birds, wetland vegetation, and some of our pretty crocodiles. Boat to our left, that's the local fisherman boat.
here.
Wait,
This cute family, they were the only hunters that were on the tour with us. Yes.
As I thank you for coming. Even though we only saw this small crocodile, I hope you have enjoyed your trip. So
Yes,
until
we
next
did.
time, have lots of fun. Enjoy the rest of the afternoon. And of course, have a safe trip home. And again, thanks for coming. Bye.
The crocodile nursery, guys. Woo! Wow. Mm-mm.
No, that's not the baby. The baby.
This is nice.
To the crocodiles.
Hey, turtles! Hey, turtles!
Time people think that crocodile skin is
Yes,
hard,
because you look at it, you know,
or they're rough as they want to call it.
soft and tender. You know the
1 year old and goes inside. There's 3 times 1 months old. I come back.
3-year-old Dominic.
Close your hand. Wait, no, this time. No, because they kind of too tender, so we don't really give nobody the big one that for hold. Look up. You can't scratch your ear, so if you feel put your hand by you, can't scratch you. Look to the phone, look to the sister. Yeah, long way. Turn and get it.
Put your hand on the neck.
Don't squeeze, just close your hand.
Video.
See your brother use his phone.
No, that they did.
That, oh, sorry. No, it's strong, you know. As small as it is, it's very strong. No, nothing at all. It doesn't smell. Yeah.
Hi, what's her name?
It's a male, but we haven't named it as yet.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Come on.
I've been listening to eating.
You know this one. I got them ready, you know.
Okay, it's not on me, okay?
I don't mind. You know, they call me back. Very quick. I have to put your picture. I just put the video. I'm going to see you on top right here.
Don't put no one in inside. You must have fear. You put one in that fear there. You pack at the beginning. But you never turn now, you never turn up.
Guys, we're going on a road trip to Bluefields Beach, and it's between the border of St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland, and I'm super excited to go there. My mom used to take me and my siblings there when we were young.
Yeah.
I just feel the perfume. The fun but don't disturb too. Have you on the curfew? Dominic love to go to the beach, guys, and I knew he was gonna enjoy himself. Last summer he learned how to swim and it was so awesome, so I'm excited for that as well. Stay tuned to see what happened next. I'm super excited. I want to see how he will react when we reach at the beach. If you know I'm coming on my vlog, you know come. If not, run. Guys, we're finally here and the vibes is right. Everyone is enjoying themselves. There are vendors, people are dancing, riding bicycle, swimming, enjoying themselves, and it's all vibes, I tell you. Look how beautiful the water is. Ooh. I'm in Jamaica on the beach. Where are you? I don't see you pull up. We're at Bluefields Beach, guys. Woo! The water is very warm, guys, and the day is very sunny and beautiful. I'm gonna write my name in the sand, so stay tuned for that. And it float out. I don't remember nothing.
Get your phone when you forgot the beach, bro. Lot. Eh? Them I come on with Nikki. Hold on. Nobody knows me like you do.
So guys, we left the beach and we're at Ella's ice cream place that I discovered earlier in the video to take Dominic there, and the girls wanted ice cream as well. It was a great day.
How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like the way between
So I'm doing a little cooking in the kitchen. I'm gonna take you guys to show you what's going on. And yeah, I'm doing rice, white rice with curry chicken back, real Jamaican food, guys. So vegetables here, rice here. Now cleaning up to do. So that's what I'm gonna do now, clean up the sink.
I don't mean I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business cut me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You honesty, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need no trick, all that don't change. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. What the fuck you crying for?
Welcome to Ella's ice cream place, guys, and I'm gonna just grab my ice cream cone, and I also got something for Dominic. This place is in Loana, guys, and I just discovered it, and I can't wait to take Dominic here, guys. This place is so beautiful. So that's my ice cream. Little turtle, hello. So much of it, guys. Look at my last name. Oh my gosh, I'm so emotional right now. Guys, my dad was telling me a story about this place. I'm not letting you tell us the story, but because I don't remember nothing right now as I'm speaking. This is editing day, but yeah. Hey guys, good morning. I just got up. I'm sounding a bit rusty, but we're going to Montego Bay today, guys. Yeah, so like I said, we're going to Montego Bay. Guys, if you don't know, I've moved to the countryside, which I mentioned it, but I didn't do like a sit down video explaining stuff, but yeah. But promise you guys I'll do better. But yes, we're going to Montego Bay now. So Dominic is gonna go in the shower. I'm gonna take Sookie, guys, because for the last 2 trips, the first one was not bad because my cousin kept her, but then she's working now. And the second trip was terrible. I don't even want to talk about it. So I got her diapers because she's not yet potty trained, guys, and also, which you guys should see me unbox those. Let me show you. Yes, diapers for dog, guys. See? Yeah, so I got her diapers. Let me put it over here so I know we should pocket. So guys, I got her diapers and a carrier. The carrier is here, but you guys will see how it look when I put it on. It's like a baby carrier but for dogs. Yeah. So yeah, guys, so basically I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on yeah, basically. So I'll see you guys when we're ready. I'm about to bathe Sookie now. I just packed her food. Yeah, I got her food here, and I'm gonna bathe myself. No, first I'm gonna spread my beds because I don't like to leave the place in a mess. The beds need to be spread, so I'm gonna spread my beds and bathe her, bathe myself, and then we get ready. So we'll see you guys when we are leaving. Okay. Guys, we're leaving home now. If Jamaica not beautiful one more time. Jesus, what a nice day. Guys, check out It Could Have Been Love, okay? Period. This made me cry, bro. Yeah.
Exactly.
Man, I'm gonna get like when you want to. You know, be careful you don't hear. Theme part. Yeah, my picnic girl. Guys, after 1 month, this is how my nails are looking. These were my Valentine's nails, and I try my best not to get any broken.
Wala na laugh, no laugh. You're funny.
Guys, these are the nails that I'm going to do, recommended by Ming. Yeah, and this is how they look, guys. I just changed the white to yellow. Clock it. They're in the supermarket. My nails. With my cousin. Say hi. Guys, buy me all of these. Yeah. Pistachio. Want these too. The supermarket you give, man. It's giving. Yeah, this for those. Gonna get my teeth clean, guys, so come along with me. Yay! Guys, as my enter, I'm like, oh my gosh, that clean girl aesthetic. Nice wall. Customer service was great, and I was feeling so comfortable, guys, and I was excited that the before, and you guys will see that after. I was not nervous. To be honest, I normally be nervous to go to the dentist, but I was so comfortable, and this is the after look, guys. Yay! My teeth are looking so clean. Look at that. Ooh, yeah, me. And guys, on top of it all, this was a early birthday gift from my friend. Clock it, yeah. And you guys know Aries season is in, period. So I went to get some snacks for my boys. Yeah, me. Amir, say hi.
Just eat around it, okay?
Jay, say hi. That's in my hair. Guys.
Boss babe, Vicky got the boys acting silly. Boss babe, Vicky, yeah, you know she like the city. Always money over niggas, all she see is figures. And she got the figures, chocolate don't need a Snicker. I'm a boss, what's the cost? Swear I never take a loss. I'm a boss, what's the cost? Tell that little boy get lost. I'm a boss, what's the cost? And my skin so silky soft. Yes, I'm a boss. What's the cost? Swear I never take a loss. I'm a boss, what's the cost? Tell that little boy you lost. I'm a boss, what's the cost? And my skin so psyche soft. Yes, I'm a boss. Boss, babe. Nikki got the boys acting silly. Boss, babe. Nikki, yeah.
So guys, we have reached to the end of the video. So if you have not yet subscribed, like and leave a comment, it's your time to do so, and the emoji that we're going to use is going to be listed right here, guys. And remember to check out my live streams. I have a live stream that I did on Sunday. It consists of 3 parts: part 1, part 2, part 3, because I went to a football match, and basically when they take their little time out or off time or whatever, they played music, so I had to stop the live. And I also was on live last night. Today we're vlogging. It's Tuesday, I think the 25th. I'm not sure, but I was vlogging last night, and I did an unboxing vlog, guys, and it's pretty interesting. So you guys go over and check that out once this video is finished, and I'll see you guys in my next live stream or my next video. Love you guys. Bye.